All right. Hopefully you've had a chance to look over some of the work or the worksheet that was put on Schoology yesterday. So let's talk about what we noticed. So we've read through this. I've read through it several times now, and it wants me to first off answer the question, what is the topic of the passage? Well, the topic of the passage is wolves. I'm going to fill that in, the topic of this passage. Or maybe I'll say this passage is about wolves. That's good enough. Now, when you're looking for a main idea in a passage, finding out what words are used or themes helps you determine the main idea. So when I read through this, I'm just going to highlight some of the stuff that jumped out to me as as an idea that came up again and again. So I saw this a lot, like they hunt in family groups, their prey ranges. So I'm just skimming it again. The wolves share in the feast. They range in size. Every pack is headed by a single leader. The alpha directs the pack. You see what I'm doing? I'm just kind of skimming it for important information. Pup rearing is a family affair with all pack members helping. So there's this thing again, family affair, everyone helping. They work in family groups. Some wolves even babysit while the rest of the pack hunts. Wolves communicate with each other using body language such as tail wags. I'm going to start over. Hopefully you guys have had a chance to read over the questions and provide some answers. Oops, I already started. We're gonna work through this together now, and as I've read over this, I could tell pretty quickly that the topic of this passage was all about wolves. So I would say that the topic this passage covers is wolves, and maybe even their families, and how they live in groups. What words or ideas are stressed? When I'm trying to figure out what words or ideas are stressed in a text, what I like to do is get a highlighter and just read over it and look for common themes. Now, being that I've already read through it a couple of times, I know that one of their themes that they seem to go back and forth on, or which they return to, yikes, sorry guys, is this working together. So I'm going to be keeping an eye out for that and highlighting things that I think relate to that. Here I go. Wolves are predators that live and hunt in family groups. There's that they work and live in family groups. Their prey ranges from mice and rabbits to deer and moose. They work together. So there's something else. Heck. To catch and kill prey. Then all the wolves share in a feast. Wolf packs range in size from as few as 2 or as many as 30 members. Every pack is headed by a single leader or alpha and his mate. The alpha directs all the pack activities, and he and his mate may be the only ones in the pack to have pups. Pup rearing is a family affair. So, family affair. That makes me think of doing something together with all pack members helping. All pack members helping. There's another detail that makes me think that this passage, or the idea that them working together, is really important. Some wolves even babysit pups while the rest of the pack hunts. This is interesting. They work together as a team. Wolves communicate with each other using body language, such as tail wags, and sounds, such as barks, growls, whimpers, and howls. They don't just howl at the moon. Howling is a wolf's way of saying, this is our territory, or hey, the rest of the pack is over here. I like that. That makes me think that they are talking to one another and working together. It turns out that wolves have a lot to say, especially about living and working together. Oh, there it is again. So now I've finished reading the passage, and look at all of these themes that pop out. Family groups, working together, family affair with all pack members helping. And then at the end it says living and working together. So I suspect that the words and ideas that are stressed in this passage are family, working together, and sharing. Look what I did. Wow, because I have the time, I'm not just writing my answers out. I'm creating sentences with capitals and periods at the end. That should be a fourth grade expectation, so remember to do that. Now, what important details does the passage cover? So I go back through and I look for the details that helped me determine this. So I've decided that this passage is mostly about wolves working together. So what important details does the passage cover? The first paragraph, let's see. It talks about working together. This passage talks about how wolves work together. That's the first paragraph. Let me look at the next one. Let me think about that. I think this mostly has to do with how the wolf pack splits up jobs. And then the last paragraph explains kind of how wolves communicate with one another. So now that I've explored all of these questions, I can answer the main idea. The main idea of this passage, what's the main idea? It's
Where's my dad?
He's in there. Sorry guys. The main idea is Elliot, I'm recording. I'm not restarting either. The main idea of this passage is going to be how wolves how wolves work together. Oops. How wolves work and live together. And I'd say that's about it.